approximately 13 years old. Originally started at Constant Spring Road, at 149 Constant Spring Road. 2 years ago we expanded into our second location, 12 Gleaner Avenue, and we've just been trying to keep ourselves consistent with great food, a great dining experience, and a comfortable, casual setting. We had a lot of different names that we toyed with, and our most popular dish, ribs. So hence ribs. Ribs was a given to be in the name, and like I said, ribs. A bit of a rib cage, so just gave a rib cage, and that was it. Major achievements. We won a award for young entrepreneurs for the Jamaica Observer Tabletop Awards. We've won several awards from service clubs for our assistants. We've won the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce Job Creation Award for in last year. It's hard to remember some of that. But we've gotten a couple of awards for our corporate, for being good corporate citizens, and to give back to our society. We've added, I think, one new item, which is a chicken shrimp Mardi Gras. Grilled chicken with grilled shrimp, done in a wine sauce, served on a bed of mixed seasonal vegetables, and served with a side of cream potato. Well, hopefully we'll be getting a similar crowd we had last year, and hopefully to build on it. More Jamaicans coming out to enjoy good food in a nice, comfortable atmosphere. Even though we've been around for a while, we still know that there are a lot of people who have never been to Red Cage, or may never have heard about us. Probably drive past and see the sign and not sure what's actually there. So this restaurant also gives you an opportunity to come out and try our fare and again have a great dining experience. Our Constant Spring branch, we have several artists there. Some that have been born there and have expanded to bigger locations. But we fit into the regular calendar of summer parties and Christmas parties. We also have the facilities to offer, and we have been doing this Christmas parties for companies. And this year we hope to be able to offer more of that with our expanded Christmas menu that we've come up with. So customers can call in and we'll fax or email out those menus, and they can just check from different options to create an experience for their staff and customers. Well, we can be contacted via telephone, or we have an 800 number, which is 1-888-RIBCAGE, and that's with a K. Our two locations, Constant Spring Road, 931-8129, or 905-1858, and in Braemar is 927-5226 and 978-6272. And we also can be got on the net at ribcage@Jamaica.com, and you can also visit our website, ribcageja.com. Well, right now we're optimistically looking at an expansion of another location in the near future outside of Kingston. So we're in the planning phase, and hopefully we soon can start implementing those plans.